Abateezi Bakaruru ahabwa district ya Ntungamo bahamizirizibwa ko bataraze koze se byome byakoze sibwo mu Karura Kuteera mabega abyete VVK machines kurekane baza koze sa register zabo ahabwa Akaruru akebera 22 byo kwezoku.
Use the national voter register report. However, if I get any other communication between now and the election tomorrow, I will announce it to the radio stations and to my people.
Omwami Charles Wafula ori returning officer habwa district ya Ntungamo yagambebi obo yabanatebekanise boxi nebyo kutereraho Akaruru biri kuzo mu magomborora gona ahabwe emyanya etererwa Akaruru eri kwingana runani 12 okwetorora district age akurgo mu mwanya ogubibire bibikigwemu aha district ya Ntungamo. Charles yashoborera abateezi Bakaruru ko baraze kukozesa register ahabo kugira ngo ebyomebi arihabo byateganise ecyatumira bamwe batandika kutera Akaruru bacererigwe niko kugira ngo nebaza kukozesa register z'abateezi Bakaruru omukurebuza bari kwenda kutera Akaruru aka kandi yashaba abantu kutera Akaruru omubusinje.
So for now we are using the national voter register. It will come with their national ID or the voter election slip. In case they don't have any of those, so if their names are in the voter register, they will vote. Like the RDC has said, I kindly request you, the same peace you exhibited during the last presidential and parliamentary elections, let's also show it this time. Let's be peaceful, let's exercise restraint and not any form of violence.
We ori RDC wa Ntungamo omucyara Miriam Mugishakagiga nawe yayongera ashaba abantu kundana kandi bakatera Akaruru mu businje.
Nimbendeza okukora Akaruru aka okukundana Ntungamo yitu. Ntungamo yitu buzima ko kumutire Akaruru akarungi akihorera katari mu bucimwe condo naka karumu akutuzafitera nsi akareka gendeki hango wararabyemu nuwoki nuwogo konka waza kurro dogo na supporting gogo kaje tukamtere busha twara beri dawatera umuntu hate kindi cyo
omu mwanya niko gumwe habaho kutera ubururu bwo kurondo mwebembezi w'eminyeto kandi hamwe nogwe owabantu abino burema ha mibiri yabo ahabwa district ya Ntungamo. Omucyara ko businje Debora owe kibine cha NRM yayihayo bururo buri kwinganigani 16 kandi yasingo mucyara musimise Asumpta utine kibine cha Yegamire owihayo bururi 17 ahantebe y'abantu bino burema ambiri yabo. Aharubajogwe minyeto akandwanaho Edwin owe kibine cha NRM yayihayo bururo buri kwingana 69 ari kusinga nkwasibwe Javira owe kibine cha PFF owihayo bururu 80. Ndi Gilbert Ankunda ahabwa Modern Television omuri Ntungamo.